Have you ever pondered upon the intriguing concept of God as understood by different religions across the globe? It's a profound question that has stimulated countless discussions, debates, and philosophical discourses throughout human history. Dive into the Islamic belief system and an intriguing concept emerges, the oneness of God, known as Tawheed in Arabic. This is not just a simple statement of monotheism, but rather a complex and all-encompassing belief that God is singular, unique, and unlike any other being. Contrast this with the polytheistic religions such as Hinduism, where the divine is understood as a multitude of gods and goddesses, each governing different aspects of the universe. Or take the ancient Greek and Roman pantheons, where gods were not only multiple but also possessed human-like characteristics and flaws. Yet, even within monotheistic religions, differences arise. Christianity, for instance, professes monotheism but introduces the concept of the Holy Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, three entities in one God. This diverges from the Islamic understanding of God's oneness, where God has no partners, no offspring, and no equivalent. Judaism, on the other hand, shares a closer resemblance to the Islamic concept of oneness. The Shema, a central prayer in Judaism, proclaims, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one." Yet even here, interpretations can differ based on cultural and historical contexts. Exploring the concept of God in Buddhism presents another interesting contrast. Buddhism does not focus on a creator God. Instead, it emphasizes personal spiritual development and the quest for enlightenment. So, what have we unearthed in this exploration of the divine? We've discovered that the Islamic notion of Tawheed, the absolute oneness of God, is a unique and profound belief. It is a concept that stands distinct, emphasizing God's singularity, uniqueness, and incomparability. We've contrasted this with the polytheistic beliefs of religions like Hinduism and the ancient Greek and Roman pantheons. We've delved into the nuanced monotheism of Christianity with its concept of the Holy Trinity. We've noted the similarities with Judaism's proclamation of God's oneness and the divergence in Buddhism's non-theistic approach. In conclusion, the concept of God is as diverse as the religions that seek to understand it. Yet amidst this diversity, the Islamic belief in the oneness of God, Tawheed, stands as a profound testament to monotheism in its purest form.